So the other time I showed you how to use FFmpeg, but I hadn't shown you how to install it on Windows. So let's install FFmpeg on Windows. Pretty clean setup. So what you're going to do is go to search Gyan FFmpeg, go to the first URL here, just go download it. So it should take you to Gyan.dev. Here you can download the latest branch, full or the essential. So I prefer the full version, so I'm going to get the full here, download it, start download. It's not a huge file, so it's going to just like 100 MBs. So wait it to finish. So we have it in a compressed FFmpeg open folder. So here it is today. Let me delete this previous one. Yes, for tutorial purposes already, because I have already this FFmpeg. So let's take this and extract files. I want it to extract it on this PC, so let's go to local disk. Let's create a new folder here. Let's name it FFmpeg. So let's go to our downloads, compressed. From here let's extract files. Let's choose the path here, disk here. Okay, so now we have local disk C, then FFmpeg. We have this folder now, bin. So FFmpeg is here. You can run the application, but the problem with this is that it's not system wide or CMD. There will be interference. So the next thing you are going to do is copy this path here, copy it, and just let's open incognito ChatGPT. Install system wide FFmpeg from Gyan.dev. Here is the current path. So let's give it a while to respond. We're going to use the PowerShell method because that's the easiest. We have just to add this. We just need to add this path to our variable, system variable. So let's use PowerShell. So yeah, this command here, we're going to come here, search PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, run as administrator, then paste your command here. So successfully added. Now FFmpeg. Let's FFmpeg that dash version. So when you come to any path right now on our desktop, let's say here CMD, sorry, it's supposed to be CMD, and then FFmpeg dash version. See, we're getting this. So that's how you install your FFmpeg in Windows. Thank you for watching, and kindly consider